If you've ever taken time off from training, you've probably felt the same pressure when returning. You want to get back to where you were as quickly as possible. After 40, that instinct is often what causes the biggest setbacks. Hi, I am Marty, your NAS MCPT, and today we're going to talk about how to restart training intelligently, so you regain momentum without getting hurt. Most people return and try to replicate their previous workload immediately. Same weights, same volume, same frequency. But the body temporarily loses tolerance to training stress. Research shows that sudden increases in training load significantly increase injury risk. So the issue isn't time off. It's a spike in load when you return. Here's the good news. Fitness doesn't disappear as quickly as most people think. Strength and muscle can be maintained for weeks with reduced training. And because of something called muscle memory, previously trained individuals often regain strength faster than beginners gain it. So when you return after a break, you're not starting from zero. You're restarting from a higher baseline. A better approach is simple. Week 1, reduce volume by about 30 to 40%. Focus on movement quality and moderate loads. Week 2, gradually increase volume while monitoring soreness and recovery. Week 3, resume normal progression. This short transition allows connective tissues and the nervous system to readapt safely. Training adaptations return quickly when stress is applied gradually. Research consistently shows that gradual increases in training load reduce injury risk while preserving long-term progress. This approach protects the most valuable thing in training after 40, consistency. Taking time off isn't failure. It's part of a long training life. The key is returning intelligently so progress continues without interruption. That's exactly why the After 40 guide includes a re-entry phase designed for these situations. If you want to restart without setbacks, the link is below.